There are some content creation methods where they suggest starting some of your titles with a keyword or maybe a specific letter. That's a good way to keep your posts in order at all times. But if at some point you want to find all the posts whose title starts with the letter N, for example, you might have some problems if you have thousands of posts to go through. That's why we want to show you how to quickly find all the posts that start with a specific letter or character. To do this, we will use the Posts, Pages, and Custom Post Type Spreadsheet plugin. With this plugin, you can save many hours finding and editing thousands of posts in a spreadsheet. It contains a powerful bulk editing and advanced search tool that you can use. You can find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you'll find the link to our written guide. After you have downloaded and installed the plugin, you'll see the list of all your posts like this. Each post is displayed in each row, organized in different columns. Now let's see how to filter our posts by their title's initial letter or character. To do this, we'll open the search tool. Then, enable the advanced filters. Choose title as the field key. Select the operator, starts with. Now enter the initial letter or character you are looking for. And run the search to see all the posts whose title starts with the letter selected. Undoubtedly, using the Posts, Pages, and Custom Post Type Spreadsheet plugin is the best option for filtering, bulk editing, exporting, importing and more. The best thing is that it is very easy to use, and you save a lot of time. Remember that in the video description you will find the links to download the plugin and to see our written guide. We have live chat support and a blog with hundreds of tutorials if you need help. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.